Are you a small business owner still designing from scratch? Stop. Head to Canva and click Brand. Create a new brand kit, rename it to match your brand. You can customize things like uploading your own logo, colors too. Then head back to the Canva main page and find a design template, for example, a social media post. Once you find the template you like, customize it using the Canva editor. Click Brand, then the colors from your newly created brand kit. Instantly, the design changes to your brand colors. You can tweak its elements like the fonts, line spacing, sizing, placement, and so much more. Keep tweaking until you're happy with it. This is the magic of Canva's brand kit. You don't have to create your designs from scratch. It's also very easy to customize a design template from the Canva editor. Then you can add pages, find new design templates, and customize those as well. As a business owner, the lesser time you spend creating your brand assets, the more time you have to think about your business strategy, like how to grow your business. Let Canva do the heavy lifting for your business assets. Keep looking for design templates and apply your brand colors. It's that simple. You don't have to do it all on your own. Use tools that save you time so you can focus on the money-making tasks. That's it. You've created 3 designs all on brand, and you didn't have to create them all from scratch. Comment if this video is useful. How much time did you save by doing just this hack? Like and subscribe for more time-saving hacks.